Welcome to the FileAid Data Solutions Replace option module. Here you will learn how to replace values on a file with either constants or values from another field on the same record. We will begin by reviewing the sample file and replacement examples used in this module. The sample file contains last names and first names. We will replace all first names with their corresponding last names. We will replace all last names with Smith. The file contains U.S. Social Security numbers. We will replace the last 4 digits of all Social Security numbers with all 9s. Finally, the file contains a packed tax withholding % field. We will replace all of those values with 90. We begin at the primary menu and choose the Replace option. Next, we enter the dataset name and record layout information. No existing criteria will be used. On the next panel, we will use the Display command to limit the fields to those chosen for replacement. The replace specifications begin with the field-to-field operator for first name. The next panel advises to select one entry and the last name field is chosen. Pressing Enter confirms the selection, and pressing F3 returns us to the Data Replace Criteria panel where we can see the encoded parameters. Next, for the Social Security number, we specify a field mask. As mentioned previously, we want the replace to apply to only the last 4 digits. With the mask now in place, we specify the replacement values for the Social Security number and the tax withholding %. Since the last name field already has been used to populate the first name field, the last names may now be changed to Smith. This requires another selection level. Using the Insert command gives us that new level. The replacement value is entered, and pressing F3 takes us to the Criteria menu where we confirm that 2 replacement sets are specified. We press Enter to continue. On the next panel, the Update option is chosen, and again we press Enter to continue. On the next panel, Online Processing is chosen, and we press Enter to execute the update. Viewing the results, we see that all of the last names are Smith. The first names have been replaced with the original last names, and the Social Security numbers all end with 4 9s. Pressing F11 to scroll to the right, we have turned on the hex display to see the packed tax withholding % are all 90. We press F3 to end the browse session, then choose to not perform the update, which is confirmed on the next panel. This concludes this module. Thank you.